Hi children, this is KTK. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to solve 10 interesting questions on class 7 powers and exponents. Already I have covered a few chapters which are available in our playlist. You can watch them later. Before starting the class, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Our channel is providing exclusive interesting questions which are outside of your textbook, will give you immense practice for your competitive and Olympiad exams and also to improve your knowledge in the specific mathematical concepts. Let's start the class now. Now first question, the value of 7 power 0 minus 5 power 0 into 2 power 0. So we know the rule of zero exponent. Any number power 0 value is always 1. So substitute the values and then you can solve. 7 power 0 is 1 minus 5 power 0 is also 1. Multiply with 2 power 0 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 multiply with any number gives 0. Therefore, first answer is option C, 0. So everything is completely based upon 7 laws of exponents. So if you are thorough with 7 laws of exponents means then you can solve these kind of questions very easily. Now question number 2. Express in standard form of 12620000. So we know what is standard form and exponential form. Here whatever the number is given to you, right? That is, whenever some number is given to you, you need to express them as a one whole number point 262 into 10 to the power. Okay, that is, you have to express this in terms of decimal with one whole number. Then you need to express them in terms of 10 powers. It's very simple one. When a whole number is given to you, you need to assume that the decimal lies at the end of number. Okay, for example, I'll say 5 is nothing but what? 5 is nothing but 5.0, or 123 is nothing but what? 123.0. Therefore, for every whole number, the decimal will lie at the end. In the same case, here also the decimal lie at the end. I need to bring that decimal point to 1 next. That is, how many digits it is jumping. For example, 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the decimal point from the end to next to 1, it takes 7 jumps. So I can write this as 1.262 into 10 to the power 7. In the same way, when the decimal point moved to left to right means you need to express them in terms of negative power. Okay, since it is moved from right to left, I am taking it as positive power. In case if the decimal point move from left to right means you need to take right side. Okay, all these are just basics of expressing a number in standard form. Okay, so first answer, that is your A is your answer. Next, question number 3. So here they gave a fractional power. So you have both equal base. Okay, equal base is given. Here we are going to apply this rule, that is a power m divided by a power n is nothing but what? A power m minus n. Okay, base is same. You just check it here. First base also minus 5 by 8. Second base also minus 5 by 8. So when division is given, I am going to subtract the powers. So minus 5 by 8 the whole power. What is 7 minus 5? 2. So nothing but what? Square. So minus 5 square is 25. 8 square is 64. Okay, now you may ask me where that negative symbol gone. Very simple. When we are squaring a negative number, the answer is going to be positive number, because we know that minus 5 square is nothing but what? Minus 5 into minus 5. So minus into minus is plus, then you will get simply only 25. So whenever you are squaring a negative number, the answer is going to be positive. Therefore, your third question answer is again option A, 25 by 64. Okay. Question number 4. Evaluate these two terms. So here all the base are equal. Only 3 is given to you. So here in this case, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So in last case, when divide is given, we were doing subtraction of the powers. In this case, when multiply is given, you are going to add the powers. Okay, so here 3 base is equal, here also 3 base is equal, therefore I am going to add these two powers. So when I am solving the first bracket, I'll be getting 3 power. What is 22 plus 23? 45. In the same way here also, 28 minus 17 is 45. So same number, answer is 0. Very simple. Okay, no need to simplify. We know that, for example, I am writing what is 5 power 3 minus 5 power 3. It is going to be 0. So when we are subtracting a number from the same number, your answer is always going to be 0. So fourth question answer is option B, 0. Question number 5. It's a very interesting question, and this question appeared in few of your old Olympiad exams, but it's very simple one only. A value 2, B value 3, then find the value of A power B plus B power A. Just to replace the values, substitute the values there. What is A power B? It's nothing but what? 2 power 3, because A value 2, B value 3. The same way, B power A, so you are going to write it as 3 power 2. Okay, 2 power 3 plus 3 power 2. So don't write the answer as 5 power 5. It's not like that, because when addition is given to you. Okay, so you need to find the power and then you can add. What is 2 cube? 2 cube value is 8. 3 square value is 9. Therefore 8 plus 9, 17 is your answer. Okay, it's a very simple question. You are just substituting the value of A and B, you will be getting the answer. Question number 6. Find the product of cube of minus 1 by 2 and square of 3 by 5. And then we need to product. Okay, just to check, the question looks in a simple way, but we are doing 3 process. One is we are finding cube of this number, and then square of this number, and then product of all these. Okay, so cube means what you need to do? You need to multiply this number 3 times. Okay, so what you are going to get? Minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2, and then square means 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. Okay, in between I am using this multiply symbol. Why? Because here they gave product. So cube of a number, square of a number, I am multiplying. Okay, so you have 3 negatives, therefore your answer is going to be a negative answer, because minus into minus plus, you have still one more negative there, therefore your answer is going to be negative. Then numerator, you have only 3 and 3, 3 3s are 9. Denominator, just to multiply all the number, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 40 into 5, 200. Okay, so answer is minus 9 by 200, which is there in option B. So read the question properly and then simplify one by one. We are asking first cube, and then asking square, and then we are going to product. Product means what? Multiply. In this sum, you can do it in the same way, or you can directly write this as minus 1 by 8, because we know that cube of 2 is 8, and then square of this number you can write it as 9 by 25. So in this method also you can do, you will be getting the same answer. Okay, it is your choice whether you are writing the direct answer and multiplying, or if you want you can expand and do. It is your choice. In both the cases we will be arriving at the same answer. Now let us move to the next question. 7. Simplify. So you have few powers, few whole numbers there, few positives as well as few negatives in the numerator and denominator. It's a very simple way. Just to check how I am going to write this, you don't disturb this first one, write it the same, minus 2 power 4, and this 5 cube also you write it as same, and minus 3 by 5 also you can write it as same. The denominator, what I am going to do is very simple one. This 125 is nothing but 5 cube, right? 5 cube. Okay, 5 cube is 125, and then 3 power 5. 3 power 5. Now just check, 5 cube got cancelled. Okay, minus 2 power 4. Minus 2 power 4 is nothing but what? It is 16. It is 16. That is 2 unit write 4 times. Okay, 2 unit write 4 times. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4. This 4 4s are 16. So this value is 16 we got. Now you just check it here. Minus 3 power 5. 3 power 5. When I am cancelling this, there will be one negative remains in the numerator, because you just check it here, you will have minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, and one more minus 3. I am writing it here. And then in denominator you will be getting all positives 3 5 times. both numerator and denominator only exactly 5 times. So you can just cancel 3's. Okay, that is all the numbers will get cancelled, and then minus minus plus, again minus minus plus, you have still one more negative there. You can write this as minus 1. So your answer is going to be minus 16. You can ask me where this minus goes, that is this minus 2 power 4. Minus 2 power 4, whenever you have minus some number, power is even number means the answer is going to be always positive. Always positive. Okay, you just imagine here minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 means all the minus 2, 2 to cancel, here also minus 2, minus 2 cancel. So whenever you have a negative number, the whole power even number means it is always going to be positive. For example, I will give you minus 1 power 10 is going to be 1 only, or minus 1 power 12 is going to be 1 only. If you have minus 1 power 15 means your answer is going to be minus 1 because your power is odd number. So power even means positive, power even means positive, power odd means you are going to get the even negative sign. Okay, all these are just basics. Okay, next. So for this question, what is the answer? Minus 16. Yeah, your option A is the answer. Question number 8 now. 4 into 1000, 2 into 10 plus 3 by 10, 5 by 1000 can be written as. So they are giving in terms of expansion of fraction into decimal. Okay, we just observe the whole numbers first. Observe the whole number. 4000. 4 into 1000 is 4000. 2 into 10 is 20. So 4020. So option T is not going to be answer. Option D also not going to be answer. So it is going to be either A or B. Now you just check it out here in the decimal part. Decimal part we used to have a 3-digit number, that is for example 0.235 means you can write this as 2 by 10, okay, 3 by 100 and 5 by 1000. Okay, so this is how you are going to convert a decimal into fraction expansion. Fraction expansion form. This is 10th place, this is 100th place, and this is 1000th place. Now check here, they gave 3 by 10, so this is going to be 10th place number. There is no number with denominator 100, therefore 100th place value is going to be 0, and then 1000th place value is going to be 5. So it is going to be 305. Therefore our answer is option B. Can you understand? In case if we have some other number with the denominator 10 means we can consider here, since that number, that is a number with denominator 100 is missing there, definitely we must mention it as 0. Therefore your answer for question number 8 is option B. Next question, question number 9. So just in 7th question I was explaining about minus 1 power positives and negatives, right? You apply this concept here. Minus 1 power even number, so it is going to be 1. Here also minus 1 power odd number, so minus 1. Minus 1 power odd number, okay, odd even, therefore it is going to be minus 1. So 1 minus 1 0, your remaining answer is minus 1. Very simple. Odd or even, you just imagine here, if I am writing like this, if you want you can mention this. Minus 1 power n is equal to minus 1 when n is odd, okay, plus 1 when n is even. Okay, you can mention this in your note. Next, let us move to the 10th question. So the best practice of watching this video is, whenever a question appears on screen, you pause the video, you try that question, then you can check your answer. That would be better for your practice. Okay, now question number 10. Take a look at here. In this case also you have a same base and then different power. So we are going to use subtraction rule for the powers. So it is going to be 2 by 3, the whole power 2 minus 0. It is nothing but what? 2 by 3 whole square only. Okay, so what is the value now? 4 by 9 is the value. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. But what they are asking? P by Q the whole square. This is nothing but P by Q. Okay, so what we got is P by Q. Now they are asking us to again further square it. So again square this one. What you are going to get? 4 square 16, 9 square 81. So you must be very careful with the question, what they are asking and what they gave. First we are simplifying this to get the value of P by Q, and then we are writing its whole square. So P by Q the whole square is 16 by 81. So that's all with this video, children. We'll continue the remaining sums in our next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Be safe.